Hello everyone, I'm Reginald Badenhorst and this is your Mecad Minute. Today we will look at a feature called Adaptive Mesh in SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation. It basically updates or refines the mesh in a critical area you have specified as the solver proceeds. For instance, I've got a very small ejector here in a large global domain or a chemistry hood. Now I only want to focus on the critical area is near the ejector. Now I've already specified a local mesh setting or a refinement in that region. Now I want that to be adapted or changed or refined even more as the solver proceeds. Now I can navigate to input data, calculation control options, and navigate to refinement. In this case, I do not want any adaptive meshing to be applied in the global domain, but only on the local mesh region. I specified the number of refinement to a level of 2. You can also specify the maximum or the limit of cells that can be created during this process. You also got a refinement strategy. In this case, you can change periodic, or you can say, for instance, I want the mesh to be refined until a goal has been converged. In this case, I'm going to leave it as periodic and let the solver run. Now, just to give you an example, before this analysis has been changed or the adaptive meshing has been implemented, it created a mesh of about 150,000 cells. After refinement, it created a refinement level of 137,000 cells. Thank you, this is your Mecad Minute, and please do call us at support@mecad.co.za.